Hey manufacturing managers! What goes into your work order tracking on the factory floor? Employee time? Inventory usage? How about process steps, activities, and tasks? Work order status? Estimated completion dates? Machine usage? Anything else you can think of? I'll show you how to track it all in Standard Time right now. Grab a copy of Standard Time and follow along. You might get some inspiration to try something totally new. Start at the homepage in Standard Time. Click the Project Assistant. Enter a new project and some tasks. Now you've got a work order and some process steps you can track with barcodes. Good start! Now go back to the homepage and click Inventory. Enter some materials commonly used on your work orders. Enter a quantity in stock and maybe a new bill of materials built from inventory items in your list. See what you just did? You've just prepped for tracking both time and materials on the shop floor. Your work order tracking is shaping up. Turns out, if you print barcode labels for these, you could go straight into production. Go back to the homepage in Standard Time. Click Work in Progress. You guessed it! Your work order tracking will show up right here. Did that inspire you to try something new? We hope so. Check back later for some more ideas. This is just the beginning.